Hello students, welcome back to the standard 8th English subject. Today again we are going to continue the poem A Time to Believe from unit 1.1. In short, I am going to read you the summary of the poem again for you to understand it better. If you want, you can replay the video and write the summary with you, or if you have the textbooks, you can just go through the poem when you are listening to the summary. A poem, A Time to Believe by B.J. Mottbitzer. A Time to Believe sends across a very powerful message that everyone should take into consideration. The poet urges every individual to not dwell on the past but start anew, as every day has a new beginning. Miracles do happen every day without us knowing about them. Dreams do come true if we believe in ourselves. If we believe we can see the angels dance amongst the clouds in the beautiful sky. We learn to love when we believe in the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child, and we can understand the beauty of an aging hand. None of us here are alone, and all of us are having a lots of courage within us. To realize our inner strengths, all we do has to fix our broken pieces together and strongly believe that we can make it through. Surprises are around us and dreams are at the arm's length only if we believe that the good things in life are there for us. Poet Mottbitzer has beautifully portrayed this poem. Now today what I am going to do is I'll help you to solve down several exercises that are given in your textbooks. I have shared these pictures with you on your WhatsApp group. Today what I am going to do is we are going to deal with the exercise that is given in your textbooks. I've already shared the images of the exercise on your WhatsApp group, so you can just go through it when you are solving this, or you can also watch the video carefully and then solve the required exercise. Just look at the board. You have the question given as rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. The same image has been shared on your WhatsApp group, so kindly look at it properly. The very first word here gives a scrambled word. Scrambled word means the alphabets of the letters are mixed into each other and you have to find out the meaningful word from it. So the word clear mist is given here, and if you rearrange this word, you get the word as miracles. Second example is SOWMID. So if you rearrange the words of this alphabet of these words, then you get the word wisdom. So in this way, you have several words given in your page or on your WhatsApp group page. Kindly go through them. Look at the words and try to find out the meaningful word from the poem that has been shared to you. You can take the help of the Diksha app, or also you can read this poem from the YouTube also. I'll help out with some words for you. For example, number 4th, I'll solve it for you. So this word goes for surprises. When you're trying to find a word, check the number of alphabets given it and then check the number of alphabets that you have written in the answer. Also, I'm going to explain you the questions that are given in the textbook so that you can write down the answers, or you can find out the answers to the questions. This also I have shared the homework on your WhatsApp group, so kindly go through it. I'll quickly inform you all the answers, and then you can listen back the video again and find out the answers to your questions. The questions that are given in your textbooks are: what should one know and trust every day? The poet, as in the poem, says that one should not dwell in the past and start with a new every day and with a new beginning. Miracles do happen with us, but we don't know what miracles happen and how they happen. Second question that we are dealing with is, what are the two supernatural references in the second stanza? So the second stanza of the poem talks about the two different supernatural resources. First one is, to believe is to see angels. dancing among the clouds, to see the wonder of the stardust sky, and the wisdom of the man in the moon. So in this stanza, you find two supernatural occurrences, that is the angel dancing in the clouds and the stardust sky, which means a sky having the different magical qualities. Third question that we are going to address is why the sky has magical qualities. Now it is a simple question that everybody, even as a child or an adult, come to know that a sky has several magical qualities in it. Now which type of magical qualities does it have? The sky symbolizes infinite possibilities in front of us, because a sky is vast, it is huge, it cannot be measured. So you find that a sky symbolizes here the options of infinite possibilities, and it also comprises of several unknown mysteries which are hidden away from us. The next question that we are going to handle is, say when and why an aging hand has a beauty. An aging hand. Aging hand means a hand that is growing in age. Here the poet means that because an aging person or a person who is grown into age, it represents a person with several experiences or numerous experiences that they have in their life. These experiences have come from them, or it come from their life because they have faced several challenges in their life, and that's why an aging hand is a symbolize of several experiences a person get in its own life. I hope these questions will help you, or this explanation will help you to solve all the questions. Also, please go through the poem and the summary regularly so that it will help you to solve out the questions easily. I hope you enjoy this poem, read it several times and go through the summary several times. All the best for solving your question answers. Thank you.